We take that knowledge and that wealth back to the communities that we come from and simply engage and communicate with young people like yourselves who might not be thinking about college, but just like you have a place for themselves here.
It allows students to be in that space that if they want to give back, if you want to give back, sign up and go make that difference for your community.
To be able to provide the resources that I was given to 4 years ago is a life-changing experience. I've never seen myself doing this, but it feels amazing to do this. It feels amazing to come full circle and to provide the resources to students that were just like me.
I think it's very important. It breeds hope into other students as well. If we can spark a little bit of hope in them, then it'll motivate them to finish strong in whatever it is they're doing and stay straight and, hopefully eventually end up in a higher institution for education.